Hey, it's me, Gene Farrell, back from 3 Skill with another small update for the Windows plugin. This is just a micro update, so with just a few fixes and changes. I show you quickly how to install the plugin. First of all, for all purchasers who already purchased the plugin, you've got an email with the download links to for the Windows plugin. So here with these links, you can also get access to all the updates and so forth. So simply press one of these links here and it opens here, and here you can find the latest release. You can download here the latest release. This is the topmost here link here. Simply click that and download the zip file to your computer, and then you end up here with the zip file. Unpack the zip file, then you end up here with 4 folders. Copy and paste one of these folder which corresponds to your Cinema 4D version. This is R24. R2024 is also for version R2025. Copy this folder and paste it into your plugin folder here, into this plugins folder, and paste it there. And that's it. So let's have a look at this figure here. So here we can see the list which with all the new fixes and updates and so forth. First of all, here we start here with the archive. So the archive fix. So let's switch over to Cinema 4D. In previous versions, it was not possible to create an arc height which has exactly the half width of the window. So maybe if you have a window here of 2 meters and the height is 1 meter, and in previous version, you wanted to create here an arc height with exactly 1 meter, it was not possible. It stopped here because of due to this limiter I implemented. So now you can create here exact arcs with half of the width. So this is now possible. If this is intersecting here due to a lot of, you can see the subdivisions. So this comes from the sweep NURBS thing. So you have to turn on the fixer and yeah, fix this here, or you simply reduce the frame thickness here. Okay. The same goes here for the top light arc in the rectangular window. So if you have here a top light arc and the arc has maybe the height of let's say 2 meters, and you have here 1 meter. The height of this 1 meter. So now you can also melt this together here. The next thing was here this in the bars, the half spiral method. So this was basically just available in the top light arc in the rectangle window. But when you want to create just an arc window, sometimes you just need a little arc. So let's have to look into Cinema 4D. So you can see I have this arc. Sometimes you just need such an arc. If you can also create this with a rectangle window, but then you have to make it editable, remove the rectangular segment. So this is a little bit inconvenient. So I decided to implement this half spiral also here in the arc window. So when you say here star, as you can see, you have this star thing here, but now you can also activate here half spiral. So you can just make this in the arc window here. It's also available here now. The next thing was the corner window. So let's switch back to Cinema 4D. In the corner window, it was basically not possible to create separate widths for the segments here. So now you can also here create separate widths here. So at the moment here, you can see here this parameter symmetry and width left, and here swap button. If this is turned on, the symmetry, then the width determines the width of the segments. If this is turned off, this width left segment is, you can adjust it separately. If you want to swap this, maybe if this is mirrored here and you need it also on the other side, then you simply press here swap, and he swaps here the widths here, exchanges the widths here. Yes, this is also maybe in the next update. This should be a big update, but at the moment I'm very busy with other projects and I have no time. So the next update will be a big update with a lot of new functionalities, but this takes a little bit time. So please be lenient here, with me, and be patient and so forth. So it takes a lot of time. So the next thing was the handle switch. So let's go to Cinema 4D back. So in every window, you have now the opportunity or the possibility to turn on or turn off the handle. So you can simply turn it off because a customer, purchaser, a buyer asked me to implement this. So basically this fixed element was meant to be a fixed element with no handle, but yeah, sometimes you also need maybe a frame and simply turn it off. This is available in all window types. You can simply turn it on and off. Also, another update here in the reset command has changed now. So this is so when we look in basically in the previous version, it was a file it called 0 default, which is simply the same as this preset. It's just a saved preset, and then it loads this default value. This is changed now. So yeah, this has changed now because now the reset button simply resets here the layout, the attribute manager. You don't need this file anymore in this new version, so it simply resets here. The next thing is the create instance command has changed now. So in previous versions, maybe if you have a lot, I'm modeling really a lot here, buildings and so forth, and every time I press this create instance, because I have hundreds of windows here in my project, and when I press here create instance, he always create an instance on top of the scene here. So if the scene has thousands of objects, I always have to scroll up to the top and copy and paste this back to where I need the windows when I make a window group, for instance. So I changed it that it's inserted before this window. So when you press here create instance, you can see it's directly here available. You don't have to scroll up. So yeah, I have to decide what's better. But for me, when you model a lot, then this is a better approach here, in my opinion. And the same goes here for the create bool command. This has also changed. When you press here create bool, it's also inserted before this object. Okay, these were the updates for the micro update, for the update number 4. I hope you have fun, and I wish you a Merry Christmas, and we see us in the next year. Goodbye.